Tarot Guide Shefali. Welcome to my YouTube channel Tarot Reader Shefali in English. Friends, please remember this is a very new, brand new channel which I have started just for English speaking audience, because I realized that many people are following me on Instagram, as well as I'm getting appointments from them who are non-Indians, who are spread across the globe, and they also are seeking for some guidance. So I have been releasing my English videos, English version of the content on the same channel, but now I am segregating it just for the convenience of the subscribers. Okay, so do follow my English channel, share it with your friends and family so that they can also subscribe it and press that bell icon of YouTube channel to get the updates. So friends, in this video we are going to speak about August 2020 predictions. Without wasting too much of time, let's see what's in cards for you. Hi Scorpions, let's see what's in cards for you for August 2020. People who were born from 23rd of October to 21st of November are Scorpions. Let's see what's in cards for them. We'll start with your energy oracle card. We have energy of appreciation surrounding you for the coming month. A very beautiful energy where you are going to get appreciated for your love, for your work, for your acumen, for your networking and social skills, and for your business skills also. So overall, a very positive card. Overall, the spread that I'm seeing is a very positive spread, just like Librans, like they also had a very positive spread in spite of the entire world going through the tough time. Librans, some of the Librans are really going to go through good time. Same is the case with the Scorpions. So you are going to enter into the energy of appreciation, love, and happiness in the coming month. So let's see what other cards are suggesting us. We will start with your relationship card. We have Six of Cups in the upright position. So friends, somewhere this card is suggesting that you are connecting with your past relationship. So if at all you have been a single person and who has you had a crush on somebody in the past, you might just come across that past love flame in some time in the coming month. If at all you are in a partnership, you might just reconnect with your ex in the coming month, and there might be revival of the relationship, or at least a greet and a get together, a cup of a coffee kind of a situation. But you're going to spend a good time with that ex flame for some time. I'm not signaling a revival of a relationship, but I'm signaling meeting the person. You might come across or meet or connect over a call with this person in the coming month for some reason. If those who are in a marriage setup, there is a possibility that you might come across your ex-flame and meet up with them, or hang out with them, or have a coffee with them, have a good chat, heart-to-heart conversation with them in the coming months. So overall, it is the time of reconnecting with the people you were connected with in past and warmly connected with in past. So this could also be suggesting that you will be connecting with your cousins, your long lost friends, your long lost relatives whom you have never been in touch with. So maybe this is the time when you are going to reconnect with them all. You are going to reconnect with your distant family or your parents whom you have been separated from because of this COVID situation, or because of some other reason. So basically, a family get together with friends, get together with long distance relationship, cousins, and otherwise is also possible. Overall, it's a very ripe time when you are going to enjoy each other's company, console each other, make each other feel good and happy in each other's company, and revive and relive certain memories. So overall, a good time for relationship. Coming to your career card, we can see Ace of Pentacles in the upright position. Ace of Pentacles is suggesting a new career opportunity coming your way, or revival of current career opportunity. Somewhere it shows that increment in the financial segment, or increment in the skills in your skill segment. So either you're getting to or going to get upgraded in terms of some skill which you never thought you would, or you were not planning for, or you will get upgraded in terms of your job, by appreciation, award, or by some there will be some new job offer or new project at hand, or there could be in your business segment, there could be a new opportunity coming by, opportunity of aligning with something which you had never imagined or thought or planned for. So overall it shows a positive time for you in the career segment. Even in case of people who are learning or studying, students, they are going to go through a very good time where they will be getting the dream or dream college or a dream university, or they might be just getting some help or aid in skill enhancement. So they are going to, the message for you is you are going to get a very good breakthrough in terms of your career in the coming month, and it is going to be a positive unexpected breakthrough. Coming to your financials card, we have Page of Wands in the upright position, which again is suggesting that you might get some financial help, some positive energy, positive vibe coming your way, which we are even seeing in your career card. Some new financial proposal coming your way, proposal of investment or partnership, which has a high potential to grow if you really plan it well. So it is going to be a good time from a financial front. Also, just participate with the person who is trying to propose you something. Don't just leave it upon them. You yourself have to be need to be a part of the journey in planning process and taking it to the next level. Don't leave it on somebody, just be a part of the process. That will help you to be monitoring everything that you are planning for the future. Coming to your health, again, the Star, which is a very beautiful card in the upright position, it is suggesting the optimum health situation, physically, psychologically, practically, emotionally, in every sense you are looking highly blessed in terms of health. It's a very beautiful card. Take care of yourself. Just don't take this card for granted, because sometimes what happens, if everything is good, rosy and abundance, we end up swinging to a wrong side. So just avoid that thing. Don't get lazy, don't get overconfident, don't lose your humbleness and groundedness, but everything good is possible in the coming months. Think from your totality perspective. Your health will be taken care of by you. Be aware of it and be active on that front. Chakra advice card is advising you about the dreams, that dreams are going to connect, give you messages. Be aware of your dreams, be aware of the messages that you get through dreams, because you are going to get a guidance through that. And the summary of the month is Judgment. So there are certain important decisions which you are going to take in the coming month, which are going to be very crucial for your future in terms of finances, career, as well as your health and relationship. So these decisions are cannot be postponed. They are meant to be taken, and they will be taken for your good by you. So just be a little extra careful on what you decide about for your future. I hope this reading really helped you guys. A very good luck to you. So friends, I really hope that you have gone through the reading and you have got some help, some guidance out of it. If you have got the guidance, you're free to share your point of views with me on the comment section and share your thoughts, share some improvisation thoughts. If you have some point of views to share, you can suggest me the topics which you want me to cover in the pick a card readings, and otherwise also share my videos, like and share my videos with your friends and family. So by sharing, I not only mean sharing this video on your Facebook page, but also in your Facebook groups, on your WhatsApp groups, so that more and more people can connect with it and get the guidance from it and populate it further, so that we can help them through the general reading on our YouTube channel over here. So it is a community effort to promote this channel so that they get help from the general readings. Okay, so another thing I wanted to tell you was, if you're looking for a personal reading, you can anytime connect with me on my mobile number or on my email ID. I'm very active on Instagram and Facebook page, as well as on WhatsApp group. So do message me on these platforms. I will ensure that I revert you at the earliest. Okay, so don't forget to follow me on Instagram, Facebook page. I have also launched a Facebook group called the Soul Chakra Tarot. Don't forget to follow that group or be a part of that group if you are a spiritual seeker, because there we are going to read and discuss and share each other's thoughts about spiritual enhancement and the soul journey, how to connect with your inner soul and all that kind of topics across the globe. So it's not just that we are going to speak about Hinduism or Christianity, but we are going to speak about all the possible religions or customs. Basically, we are going to speak how different sect of people are trying to access their spiritual self through the soulful journey and their methods with regards to same. So I really hope that you get some benefit out of that group also. So we are growing together. It's a very new group. Would look forward to your membership. I would like to invite you all there, whoever is a spiritual seeker. Very good luck to all of you. I hope this video helps you, and a very big thank you to all the subscribers who are already part of my journey.